The miraDry system is the only FDA-cleared treatment that can reduce underarm sweat and underarm odour permanently. Prior to the treatment, the patient is injected with local anesthetic to numb the underarms. And then, during the treatment, the miraDry system uses thermal energy to heat and destroy the sweat glands. However, the patient should not feel any temperature change, and the most the person will feel is some suction in the treated area. The results are usually seen within one treatment and usually within 24 hours.